wanted you to, hey, see guys, listen, I wanted you to watch these videos. Well, this one's called Why Your Family Hates You, 8 Steps Coping with Scapegoating. And this is by Richard Grannon. It's very, very insightful. Here's another one. Hidden pinhole camera installation by Spy Geeks. It's gonna show you how I guess they make the pinholes, and then you can look to see if there's
Me
any.
walk around with coffee filters underneath my breast. How ridiculous is that? I've got breast odor. I'm a large woman, so I have.
Alright. So let's watch this together.
Hello, this is Bobby at Spy Geeks. Today we're going to show you how to install a pinhole camera into a ceiling tile or drywall. The reason we're doing this is because a lot of times you can't change the decor of the room by putting up a motion detector or teddy bear or clock or smoke detector. If you can install a camera into a drywall, then you can have it looking through a little pinhole so you're not changing the room aesthetically. At the end of this video, we'll be able to show you the finished product of the pinhole camera installed in the ceiling. And the shot we hope to capture will be a straight down shot into our cash register to help catch theft. We're going to be using a standard piece of green drywall to show you how to hide the camera. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is lay down the piece of drywall or ceiling tile on a flat surface and put the camera down and draw the edges around there, or just use a ruler and measure out the width of the camera. Once you have that drawn out, then you want to take a razor blade or X-Acto knife and cut around that square. Be sure not to go too deep into the drywall. What we're trying to do is carve into this drywall so we can lay the camera in this little tray that we're going to make. And we don't want to go all the way through, so we can have a pinhole at the very end of this for the camera to see through. Alright, once you have your edges cut out, then you can just pull this drywall out right here and start chipping it out. Remember not to cut too deep into it, so we can have a pinhole at the very end. Just a side note here, the pinhole camera that you use, make sure it has a cone lens, like this one I'm holding or this one. The reason you want that is when you carve into the drywall, it comes to a point. Now, if you're using flat pinhole lenses like these, it would be harder to achieve the goal. Alright, once you've finished carving out the hole, it should look like this. You notice that we haven't gone too deep and we've left it real thin on the bottom, almost paper thin. That way our camera will fit right into this little tray. And then you line it up so it's looking right through the pinhole. Right there. So here's the lens right here. And all you're going to have on this outside part of the wall is just a tiny little pinhole. Now to secure this camera behind the hole, we're going to use Velcro. What you do is peel this off on each side. And then you're going to strap it on there, just like a Band-Aid. Strap it there and hold it. Now when it's all finished, you should have, on the other side of the drywall, just a little pinhole for the camera to see through. Alright, here's the finished product with the pinhole camera looking through the drywall.
Oh, wow. Ain't that a bitch. Oh, they're just spygeeks.com. That's probably where they get it from.